Hello, I'm Lori from the Bee's Knees, and today I'd like to show you our new to-go kits. They come in a bag like this, and we have a piece in there. This one happens to be an ice cream box, but you can select different pieces on our site. We also have, a bowl for water. We have some paper towels that you can use to dry your brush, or you can also set it up and make a little workspace for yourself. We also have a beautiful paint kit here with 6 different colors. We will select colors for you, or you can select from a few that we have. Let me open this up, and inside we have containers for your paint, a sponge, and a packet of brushes. That's pretty much everything you'll need for painting, but we also have instructions of how to paint, how to use the colors. We have a color chart for you. We have information about all the paints and that they are water soluble, food safe, non-toxic. We have an interesting brochure on our summer camps to let you know what we have coming up in the future. So this all comes in your kit, as you can see, and it's ready for you to pick up at curbside at our back door. You just let us know what you want on our website. You can go to thebeeskneespottery.com and click right on To-Go Kits, Pottery To Go, and find out all the different possibilities we have for you. My name is Lori. I'm from the Bee's Knees Pottery. Our phone number is 248-347-6718, and we're at 149 East Main Street in downtown Northville. Hope to see you soon.